Hi friends, welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. Let's go ahead and get ready for Walgreens couponing this week. Let's check out the Walgreens weekly ad starting July 31st through August 6th. It's going to be a good one, so watch the video all the way to the end. You could skip through the sections if you want, but I suggest you watch it through the end because I'm sure you're going to like all of these sections. We're going to be looking at deals of the week, household items and pet, beauty, skincare, sun care, and personal care. All of our favorite sections. Don't forget to leave those thumbs up and subscribe. I have a learning series coming up. You're going to be experts at Walgreens. I can assure you of that. I have worked very, very diligently and very hard for you on these videos coming out every Sunday at 12 p.m. Do not miss them. That's 12 p.m. Central Time. You're going to be learning about everything you need to know at Walgreens so you can become an expert couponer. Trust me, once you're done with the course, and it's completely free, I'm not charging you anything. It's a limited time, completely free. So take advantage of it. Don't forget to leave those thumbs up on each of the videos that are going to be posted. That's our pay. These will be free for a limited time. I'm going to be posting those for members only after the course is over. So you're going to be learning from home, completely free. Everything you need to know about Walgreens here on Easy Couponing. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button all the way up so you don't miss the deals. Let me go ahead and get started with the deals of the week. These are deals of the week while supplies last. And these are the Walgreens couponing deals this week, starting July 31st through August 6th. Okay. Sorry if you hear my fan in the background, but it's very, very hot. I don't know how hot it is where you're at, but where I am at, it is hot. It is hot out here. Okay. I'm going to be scrolling through some of the items and I'll let you know. I'll talk about some of the deals that pop out to me. $5 on Scott. We're going to have to look for one of the $1.25 coupons, see if there's going to be one in the new savings book that will be available on Sunday. Make sure you check out for that or look for that and get it. Bounds, Downy, or Tide products, Simply Laundry Care are 4 for $9. I don't see it giving us anything back, but if you have cash rewards, this will be the perfect time to use your cash rewards. Speaking of cash rewards, that's going to be the first topic in the series. We're going to be learning everything. And when I say everything, I want you all to become experts at Walgreens. So I'm going to be teaching you everything I know so you could be a successful couponer at Walgreens. Those videos are being posted every Sunday. You're going to have a video at 12 p.m. Don't miss the class. Don't miss the deals. Crest toothpaste or Oral-B toothbrushes are $3 each. When we buy 3, we're going to be getting back $5 in store coupon or store reward. Pantene hair care is $4 to $7. Wow, I hadn't seen that before. $4 to $7. So I'm assuming the bigger sizes will be included there. When we buy 3, we get $5 in store rewards or a register reward that will be printed. Keep in mind, the Crest Oral-B, the Pantene, and the following deals that I talk about are the same exact deal. You need to purchase those separately from each other if you want to get in on a $5 register reward for each of the deals. Okay. Olay or Old Spice bath care is going to be $6.49. When you buy 3, you get $5 back in store rewards. As well as the Gillette Secret or Old Spice personal care. Earn $5 in store rewards when you purchase 3, and that includes deodorant. So check your stores, see what's available. Pampers or Ninjamas, the jumbo packs are going to be 2 for $20. When we buy 3, we're getting $5 in store rewards. So we have to buy 3 for $30. Oh, where's the other stuff at? Oh, there it is. It just appeared. Household and pets. Sorry about that. There it is. Household and pets. So again, the 4 for $9 is a pretty good deal. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash rewards to pay for this, make sure you include a $1 item. It could be a $1 candy, a $1 drink, whatever you want to add. As long as it's $1, get yourself to $10, and use $10 in Walgreens cash rewards. Scott toilet paper or paper towels will be $5. Purex is going to be 2 for $5 starting on Sunday. Purex laundry care, so look out for that. 2 for $11 on the bigger sizes of Tide, Charmin, and the Dawn products. 2 for $11. $10.99 for Quilted Northern. For the 9 equals 36. And the 16 equals 64 for the Angel Soft. Okay, $10.99. I'll let you take a look, and I'll keep scrolling down. I don't want this video to take too long. I'm so excited about this new series that I created for you all. I've listened to you. I've seen your questions. I've seen your comments. I've seen that you want to learn, and I'm more than happy to help you learn everything I've learned in these past 20 years that I've been couponing. I know I'm only 21, but in this past 20 years that I've learned, all that I've learned along the way, I'm going to be passing that along to you so you could be a successful couponer at Walgreens. Trust me, you're going to learn. Okay. $12.99 laundry care for Tide products. When we buy 3, we're going to be getting back $10 in store rewards. Keep in mind the promotion is back for P&G products. When you spend $15 or more, you will be getting an additional $5 bonus register reward. P&G promo is back. I'll repeat that. When we buy $15 or more in P&G products, we will be getting back an additional $5 register reward. So look out for that. Look out for that to print at your store. Okay. Let's keep going. Ajax, Fabuloso, and Suavitel will be $2.49. Ziploc will be 2 for $6. So these are just basic repeats. We know these deals already. Okay. Okay, so for your pets, buy one, get one half off. $2 off Pedigree dog food. Let's head into the beauty section. Let's go into the beauty aisle. Buy one, get one half off on Maybelline products, cosmetics. Buy one, get one half off on L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics. One of those two went bankrupt, right? I forgot which one it was. Let me know in the comments if you know. If you know, you know. If you stay up on top of your savings game and your couponing game, you know. You already know. You know. Earn $5 in store rewards when you spend $15 or more on Revlon Cosmetics or beauty tools. And you could earn $3 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $12 or more on Sally Hansen nail color or treatments. For these here, since it does say spend, they both say spend, that's the key word, we cannot use cash rewards to pay in order for us to earn. So we have to pay out of pocket. And that's out of pocket, $12 out of pocket before any coupons, and after coupons, it could be whatever the amount is, but it has to be $12 before coupons that you need to spend in order for you to earn that cash reward or the register reward. Buy one, get one half off on CoverGirl Cosmetics. Neutrogena's buy one, get one 40% off. All Make Cosmetics will be earning you $4 in store rewards when you buy 2. Okay. I know I'm going a little bit fast, but like I said, I don't want this video to drag on too long because I want to make sure that you guys are getting ready for the deals starting on Sunday. Skin and sun care. Buy one, get one half off on Aveeno Clean and Clear or Neutrogena. Buy one, get one 40% off on number 7 cosmetics or skincare. Buy one, get one half off. CeraVe Skincare and buy one, get one half off. Mix and match sun care, and it includes Hawaiian Tropic, Aveeno, CeraVe, or Copper Tone. Olay Premium Moisturizers or Serums are buy one, get one half off. And L'Oreal Paris Skincare is buy one, get one half off. Check your stores. I did notice at my store there were a lot of clearance items for Olay and L'Oreal products. Check your stores and see if there's anything on clearance at your store. I don't say to go check now, or I say to go check because clearance varies by store, literally by store, by state, and by city. So you need to go check your store. Vaseline lotions are buy one, get one half off, and we get $3 back when we spend $15 in store rewards. Okay. Buy one, get one half off on Shea Moisture, skin, bath, and hair or baby products. All right, personal care. Personal care items. We went over the Crest deal, the Pantene deal, the Olay, and the Old Spice. Actually, did we go over all of these deals? Are these repeats? No, they're not. We do have the Colgate Dental Care there. Let me go ahead and go over that. Colgate Dental Care, the one on the top left, is going to be $2.99 for the Colgate Max Fresh. When we buy two, we get $2 back in store rewards. $3.99 for the ones on the right. That includes the Colgate Optic White mouthwash, toothpaste, and toothbrushes. The 360 toothbrushes. When you buy two, you get $4 back in Walgreens cash rewards. They're $3.99 each this week. Check for any coupons on Sunday morning. Crest, Oral-B, or Burt's Bees Dental Care are going to be buy two, get $5 in store rewards, and they will cost you $4 this week at Walgreens. Spend 10, get $5 back in store rewards for the Crest Oral-B Dental Care, the ones that you see to the top left. To the top right, you're going to be spending 8, getting $3 back on Crest Oral-B Gleam or Gleam Dental Care. Yep. And for the more pricier whitening, for example, the spend 50, get $15 back in Walgreens cash rewards, and then that does include Crest or Oral-B Dental Care. Fix-A-Dent, buy 3, get $3 back in store rewards. Okay. These are not giving us anything back, but check it out. I'll let you take a look because I know a lot of people cannot get to the sales ad or don't know how to get the sales ad. That's why I bring it to you every week on Wednesday or Thursday, depending if I have too much work, then I'll bring it to you on Thursdays. But it's usually up on Wednesdays, and our learning videos are up on Sunday. Okay, next is hair care is back. When we spend $20, we get back $10 in store rewards. This time we're getting store rewards. We're not getting cash rewards as we were getting last week. Okay, keep that in mind. Store rewards, which is a register reward that prints out. If it doesn't print out, if your store rewards doesn't print out, I have a video in the description box and in the first comment. And I'll have it linked at the end of this video that's going to help you learn why it did not print out. So go watch that video so you learn. The more we learn, the better we will be at saving at Walgreens. Knowledge is power. Don't miss those videos that I worked very, very hard for you on every Sunday morning at 12 p.m. Dove or Dove Men's Bath Care is going to go up in price to $8. It doesn't say that we're getting anything back. Check for some coupons on Sunday. Native deodorant or body wash will be buy 3, get $5 in store rewards. Olay Premium Body Wash will be buy 3, get $5 in store rewards. As well as Safeguard Hand Sanitizer or Soap, buy 3, get $5 in store rewards. Okay, 69 cents for the Yardley bar soap. I've never tried that Yardley bar soap. I bought it as filler item, but I've never tried it. I give it away as a mystery box giveaway. By the way, we're going to be having a mystery box giveaway as soon as we hit 5,000 subscribers. We're very, very close. Consider subscribing and leaving a comment so you could be entered in the giveaway. Good luck. Spend $25, get $10 in the Walgreens cash rewards for purchasing Gillette or Venus razors or razor systems or cartridges. Okay. I'll let you take a look there. We're almost done with this video. I'm just going to talk about the ones that stand out to me for now. Take a look at the screen and you can see what's going to be on sale. 99 cents Arm & Hammer deodorant. 2 for $21 Huggies Jumbo Packs or pull-ups. Okay. Are we at the end? Buy one, get one half off on Aveeno Clean and Clear, Neutrogena Skincare, and the Sarby's Natural Baby or Children's Supplements are buy one, get one half off. I believe we are. Okay. We are done. We are actually done with Walgreens couponing this week. This is what's going to be on sale at Walgreens. This is the Walgreens weekly ad preview for the couponing deals this week at Walgreens starting July 31st through August 6th. Again, videos are posted weekly on Wednesdays for the weekly ad preview. Thursdays if I'm too busy working. And Sunday morning at 12 p.m. Sunday morning at 12. While you're eating your lunch, watch that video. You are going to become an expert at Walgreens. 12 p.m. Central, Sunday morning. I'll see you guys over there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave those thumbs up if you're enjoying these videos. It really helps me to know that you like these type of videos. I want to help you as much as I can to save your money. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video so we can help more people save their money. And hit the bell button all the way up so YouTube can notify you as soon as videos go up. Thank you for so much love, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.